What is that? Ooh.
Who is that?
That's not a bullseye.
Oh.
Now, I told you Jesse have a bullseye. Woody got bullseye to ride on. Ride like the wind, bullseye.
You
You
got
got
Jesse
Jesse.
already. Now you get to put Woody in. Now you can put Woody and Jesse on your bullseye.
Let me see your bullseye. Look,
Oh wow!
look.
You got two horsies
Hold
now.
your bullseye like that so mommy can take pictures. No, hold him up.
Mommy want to take a picture.
Hold your bullseye. Stand on bullseye so I can take pictures.
My turn.
Okay.
Hold
now-
it up.
Now can I have my Woody?
Hold it up.
Look, Daddy Shark wants to take a picture with you and bullseye.
Turn your bullseye. Hold it up. Woo! Now you got two horsies.